Hi, Joe Cerrone.
And Al Rosen.
Welcome to CAD 136 and our weekly Zoom classroom meeting. Alrighty, so as we complete the course, we've released a practice final exam. It's in quizzes and exams. If I view this as an instructor, I can show you. Quizzes and exams. Here's the practice exam. And it's just multiple choice questions. And you're allowed to use your book.
Computer.
You bet. Mostly AutoCAD questions. AutoCAD provides how many sizes of each standard line type, when the move command is used, with the window, select, left click, drag. And so as we look at the questions, you can use the textbook, but it's similar to the format of questions at the end of the chapter, and then being able to demonstrate your knowledge of working with AutoCAD. So the test is available, unlimited attempts. It's not going to count towards your grade, so there's no need to turn in. Well, it will go ahead and it will grade for you. Mainly the focus is to be prepared for the exam and to go through the test questions so that you can be prepared for the test. Back to the main splash page. Back to viewing it as a student. So our last project was in Module 6. Module 6 is the bank floor plan or the cabin floor plan. As we work on that project, we did some work on this last week. What we want you to do is to model just this area right here with the vault, the tellers, and the lobby. And you can use Design Center if you like. Al has a lot of equipment. So for example, putting telephones onto the tables or lamps or copiers or some of these other aspects to make your drawing look better is an option. So for example, when you do put in different options, you're going to want the dynamic UCS mode to be on, which is this button right here, which will allow it to grab onto the top of any surface. And so if I was to put in a phone, I click on it and drag it into the drawing. Notice that the XY plane is then gravitated to the dynamic UCS, and I can just click there, set it up per scale, and put it onto the desk. And so you're welcome to add additional information like plants, raise the walls up, add the furniture, and create a decent drawing. Alrighty, back to the main splash page. If you need any assistance, remember we're available on the Skokie campus on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and on Fridays by Zoom. Just send us an email. And then as we look at the calendar of events, the practice exam is available this week. Next week on the 1st, we'll release the actual exam. And it'll be similar, just multiple choice questions with honor locks so that we can make sure that we verify everybody's identity. Alrighty, with that, Al, is there anything else that we want to talk about before I end the Zoom recording?
Well, if you go down just a little bit, this is the last day to hand in things. There you go. We enjoyed having you in class, the 136 class. We hope to see you sometime in one of our other classes. We certainly, if you have any questions about what classes you can take, certifications, credentials, anything else, please don't hesitate to give Joe an email on one of the sites. Hope to see you sometime pretty shortly. Make sure you get all your projects and all everything else before May 10th. If you have any questions, you want an extension, please let us know.
Alrighty then, I'm going to stop the recording and open things up for questions.